Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Quant's Heuristics. I have come with this channel to cover the entire syllabus of Quants for any competitive exam. So this would be a comprehensive approach to cover the entire syllabus. Please do like and share the videos among others as much as you can, so that I'll be motivated to cover the entire series. So now let's start the chapter number system. I'll go through each and every type of questions, so you need not worry. You can directly go to test series and sit for a test series after watching my videos. So let's start. The first question itself says, which of the following fraction is the smallest? So you need to compare. Now we'll go by cross multiplication method here. So the first fraction is 9 by 13. By 13, 17 by 26. We compare these two. We multiply 26 with 9 and 13 with 17. 26 into 9 will be 234, and then 13 into 17 will be 221. Then obviously 234 is bigger, therefore 9 by 13 is bigger. Then we compare 9 by 13 with 28 by 29. 29 into 9 is 261. 261, and 13 into 28 will be 364. Then 28 by 29 is bigger. Then we compare 28 by 29 with 17 by 26. 28 by 29 with 17 by 26. Multiply 28 into 26 will be 728. 29 into 17 will be 493. Then again 28 by 29 is bigger. So from here we can see that 9 by 13 is bigger than 17 by 26, and 17 by 26 is smaller than 28 by 29. Now we need to look for 33 by 52. Now we compare with it 17 by 26. 17 by 26. Sorry. 28 by 29. 28 by 29 is bigger, largest. Then comes 9 by 13. Then comes this. Now we compare 17 by 26 and 33 by 52. So 17 into 52 will become 884. 26 into 33 will become 858. 17 by 26 is bigger, so our smallest will be 33 by 52. Next, which of the following number is the greatest of all? 0.9 bar. What does this mean? 0.9 bar can be written as 9 by 9, and that is equal to 1. And then comes 0.09 bar. Now what does this means? This means 9 minus this 0 divided by, for bar it comes 9, for non-bar comes 0. So 9 by 90, that is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. then 0.09 whole bar. What does this mean? This means 9 divided by 99. Since we have bar over the 2 digits, so we'll give 2 nines. So it becomes 1 by 11, and this is somewhat less than 0.1, and less than 0.1. So which of the following is greatest? So greatest will be obviously 1, so which is 0.9 bar, this one. Next comes the largest among the numbers. So 0.1 whole square. 0.1 whole square, it can be written as 0.01, then 121. 0.11 whole square can be written as 0.0121. Okay, so 0.12 is equal to 0.12. So from here we can compare that the largest is 0.12. Next comes the greatest among the following numbers. So here the main objective is to make the powers equivalent. Once we make the powers equivalent, we can compare the base easily. So 3 to the power 1 by 3, let's write it as 3 square to the power 1 by 6. 3 to the power 1 by 3 can be written as like this. So that is 9 to the power 1 by 6. Then comes 2 to the power 1 by 2. It can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 6, that is 8 to the power 1 by 6, and we have 6 to the power 1 by 6. So obviously 9 to the power 1 by 6 will be greatest. That is 3 to the power 1 by 3. Next we are heading towards type 2 questions. So here the first question is 6-digit number is formed by repeating a 3-digit number, for example 256 256. Any number of this form is always exactly divisible by. So it is saying that it is a 3-digit repetition number xyz and xyz. It becomes 6-digit number. Now we have to write it in the form of a number. So we can write, this is 0, this is 10, this is 10 square, 10 cube, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5. So we can write 10 to the power 5x plus 10 to the power 4y, 10 cube z, 10 square x plus 10y plus z. Now we'll look for common. It becomes x coefficient, and then for y we got 1 2 3 4 and then 1 0 0 1 0 y. For z we got 1 0 0 1 z. So we can take common 1 0 0 1 and 10 square x plus 10y plus z. So 1 0 0 1 is common, so it will be obviously divisible by 1001, but it is also divisible by 7, it is also divisible by 11, it is also divisible by 13, also divisible by 1001. So 7 only will be incorrect, 11 only will be incorrect, 13 only will be incorrect, 1001 is correct. Okay, moving forward. Which of the following numbers will divide a 6-digit number of the form xy? Okay, this will be a homework for you since it is exactly similar to the previous question. So moving forward, the product of two positive numbers is this, and their question is, Iman, find the difference of two numbers. Okay, now the product of two positive numbers, let's say x1 into x2 is equal to 11520, and their question is 9 by 5. We need to find their difference, x1 minus x2. Okay, now x1 can be written as 9 by 5 x2 into x2 is equal to 11520. x2 square is equal to 11520 into 5 divided by 9. This comes 5 to 10, 1, 5, 5, 25, 1, 26, 2, 5, 11, 55, 56, 57. 5, 7, 6, 0, 0 divided by 9, 9 is 56, 9, 7 is 63, 9, 6 is 54, 3, 6, 9, 4 is 36, 6400. So x2 comes to 80. If x2 is 80, the next one will be 9 by 5 into 80. 5 on the 5, 3, 5, 16, 9, 9. 9, 6, 54, 4, 5, 9, 5, 41, 44. So 144 minus 80, it comes 64. 64 is the answer. Okay. Moving forward. When a number is divided by 56, the remainder obtained is 29. What will be the number when the number is divided by 8? Okay. So it is saying the number we have got, it is divided by 56. The remainder obtained is 29. Okay. So we can write 56 q plus 29 is equal to n. Let's say q is the question. Now when this number is divided by 8, what will be the remainder? So 8 7s are 56, we know. So here remainder will be 0. Now 8 3s are 24. Here remainder will be 5. So answer is 5. Okay, next question. A number when divided successively by 4 and 5 leaves remainder 1 and 4 respectively. When it is successively divided by 5 and 4 respectively, remainders will be. Okay. Take a number, it is divided by 4, remainder is 1. Since it is successively divided, so this question is again divided by 5. That is the meaning of successive division. So this question is again divided by 5 and the remainder says to be 4. Now in case of this successive remainder questions, what we do, we consider here the minimum value at the question, that is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So the quotient here needs to be 10. Quotient here needs to be 9. So that the remainder is 4. Now this 9 will again go here. Then 9 4s are 36. Then this will be 37, so that the remainder comes 1. So when 37 is divided by 5, we get 2 remainder, and since it is asked to successively divide, therefore we will divide 7 by 4. It is asked to divide by 5 and 4. Now we'll get here 4. So our answer is we are getting successive remainder as 2 and 3 according to question. Okay, I hope it's getting clear. Now moving forward, each member of a picnic party contributed twice as many rupees as the total number of members, and the total collection was 3042. The number of members present in the party was. Okay, so let's say the total number of members is x. So it is given according to question, x into 2x is equal to 3042. So x square is equal to 1521. Now we need to find the square root of 1521. I hope you guys are familiar of finding out the square root. Otherwise I'll come up with another video where I'll teach. So the last digit is 1. It can be 9 or 1. Next, for here 3 square 9 is lower than 15, so 3 will come. Now we have a confusion, 9 will come or 1 will come. For that we'll check. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Since this 15 is very closer to 16, that is a bigger number, we'll go with the bigger one. Therefore the answer is 39. If you are not clear with this square root finding method, I'll come up with another video, don't worry about that. Okay, now moving forward, a number when divided by 3 leaves a remainder 1. When the quotient is divided by 2, it leaves a remainder 1. What will be the remainder when the number is divided by 6? Okay, number divided by 3 leaves remainder 1. When the quotient is divided by 2, the remainder is 1. Okay, so it is again a type of successive division. Again, consider the minimum value here 1. 2 1s are 2. This quotient will become 3 for the remainder to be 1. Put the 3 here. 3 3s are 9. The number has to be 10 for the remainder to be 1. So if 10 is divided by 6, we'll get a remainder 4. So 4 is the answer. Okay, now moving forward, 7 to the power 19 plus 2 is divided by 6. Okay, now 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. Now we know the binomial expansion x plus a to the power n can be written as n x plus ncx plus ... plus 1. So all these terms will contain x and will be divisible by x. Therefore the remainder will be 1. So in case of 6 plus 1 to the power 19 divided by 6, we will get a remainder 1. Next we have 7 to the power 19 plus 2. Here we got remainder as 1, and for here we will get remainder as 2. Then we will sum both the remainder. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore the remainder is 3. Answer is 3. Okay, let's move forward. 64329 is divided by a certain number. While dividing the numbers 175, 114, 213 appear as 3 successive remainders. Okay, so here the same number is divided, and at different steps 175, 114, 213 appear as successive remainders. Now we need to find the divisor. Okay, 64329, it is divided by a number 175 comes first, mark it as number 1, and then 2 will come down, and then 114 is given, 9 will come down, and then lastly remainder is given as 213. Mark this as number 2, mark this as number 3. So number 3 is equal to 1149 minus 213, and that is 936. Number 2 will be 1752 minus 114, that is 8 3 1638. Number 1 will be 643 minus 175, that will become your 8 5 13 4 7 6 468. Okay, so option number 1 is cancelled because divisor is always greater than remainder. So your remainder is 213. 184 is not greater than 213, therefore it is cancelled. Now second comes 224. You check any of the number whereas 224 is divisible by this. Then 224 we check by 936 with 4, it becomes 996. So 224 is not a multiple of these 3 numbers. So next we'll check by 296 into 936. Also it is not a multiple, and then we are left with 234. So 234 is the answer. 234 is a multiple of all these 3 numbers. If 2 numbers are each divided by the same divisor, the remainders are respectively 3 and 4. If the sum of 2 numbers be divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 2. Okay. 2 numbers are each divided. 2 numbers are each divided by the same divisor, and the remainders are respectively 3 and 4. is the sum of the two numbers, and one can be written as dq plus 3 and 2 can be written as dq dash plus 4. Sum of the two numbers, d can be taken as common, q plus q dash plus 7. This sum is divided by the same divisor. The remainder is 2. Remainder comes to be 2. So if this is divisible by this, so therefore remainder will be 0. So here remainder will come. So 7 minus d is equal to 2. It is given. Therefore divisor will be 5. So friends, we can get a very good trick shortcut for this. In this type of questions, what we'll do to find the divisor, we'll simply write the formula r1 plus r2 minus r3. We'll add the first two remainders, that is 3 and 4, and minus the third remainder, that is 2. That is 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Remember this, it is very useful. Okay, now let's move forward. 9 to the power 6 minus 11 when divided by 8 would leave a remainder of 9 to the power 6 minus 11 divided by 8. Okay. 9 can be written as 8 plus 1 to the power 6 by 8 minus 11 by 8. So here we will get a remainder of 1, and here we will get a remainder of 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. So 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 by 8. So whenever we get a negative remainder, the rule is you subtract the thing from denominator, that is 6. So 6 is the answer. The answer 6 is not given, so correct it. Your answer will be 6. Okay. Now the question is, it is given that 2 to the power 32 plus 1 is exactly divisible by a certain number. So which is that number you have to find. So first of all, if we look at the first option, then here it is 2 to the power 96. So 2 to the power 96 can be converted from 2 to the power 32. 2 to the power 32 whole cube plus 1 cube. This is what? 2 to the power 96 plus 1. So a cube plus b cube formula, what is that? A plus b whole a square plus b square plus ab. So we have got 2 to the power 32 plus 1 as a factor of 2 to the power 96 plus 1. So next we'll check the second option. So second option is clearly not possible because we have got a multiply sign, so it can never be a factor of the given question. And then 2 to the power 16 minus 1, that can have a possibility. Let us check. 2 to the power 16 minus 1 whole square, let us do. That will be 2 to the power 32 a square plus b square minus ab. 2 into 2 to the power 16. So even this is not a factor. Also 2 to the power 16 plus 1 is cancelled, so first is the correct answer. Okay, now how many numbers between 1000 and 5000 are exactly divisible by 225? Okay, so we divide 1000 by 225 into 4. What's 4? 5 4 is 20, 0 2, 4 to the 8, 9 10, 0 1, 4 to the 8 1 9. Okay, 4 times 900, 100, then 225. We divide 5000 by 225. 225 to the 5 to the 10, 0 1 2 to the 4 1 5 2 to the 450. So 500 to the 450. So again 50. So 22 numbers are there from 0 to 5000 which are divisible by 225, and then 4 numbers are there from 0 to 1000. Therefore 22 minus 4, 18 numbers are there in between 1000 and 5000. Therefore option 2 is correct. But you have a lengthy process for this also. I want to show you that. So what you can do is 225, 100 we are getting as remainder. So the number which will be divisible by 225, we subtract 100 from 1000, that is 900, and add 225 to 900. 1125, and then from 5000 we subtract 50 to be divisible by 225, so we will get 450. We subtract 4950. So next term will be plus 225. Okay, so this has become an AP now. So we need to find out an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. All of you are familiar with this formula. An is the last term, 49501125 plus n minus 1. N will be 225. No, sorry. N we have to find out, and D is 225. So 4950 minus 1122, 3825. So 595, 325, 625, 5 9 45, 5 1 5 2 6 5 5 3 15, 5 3 8 1 9 9 9 1 9 6 3 9 7 63. So n is equal to 18. In this way also we can calculate, but it becomes calculation is bit longer, so you can prefer the previous method. Okay, moving forward. Sorry. In a farm, there are cows and hens. If heads are counted, there are 1. If legs are counted, there are 420 the number of cows in the farm. Okay, so number of cows, heads are counted. So heads will be cows have one head, hens also have one head. So heads cow plus hen is equal to 180. It is given equation 1. And then next equation will be cows have 4 legs and hens have 2 legs is equal to 420. Just we need to solve this 2 equation and you will get the answer. It's pretty simple, but it is a tier 2 question, remember that. So h plus c, what will you do here? You can write 2c plus h is equal to 210. I have divided this by 2. So then c plus h is 180. So you can write c plus 180 is equal to 210. So c becomes 30. Number of cows is 30. Okay, next one. The least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves remainder 3 in each case, but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder. Okay, so in this case we need to find the LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8 because when divided by all of this it is asked, so you need to find the LCM of 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8 LCM will be how much? 840. Then 840 divided by this, and 840 divided by number divided by 840. Let's say q is the question. What is the remainder? 3. So 840 q plus 3 is the remaining number, and you are said that when it is divided by 9 it shall leave no remainder. Okay, so let us put 1, q equal to 1. So 843 divided by 9, 8 4 12, 12 3 15. So this is not divisible by 9. Next bit q equal to 2. So that will be 0 4 to 8 to 1680 plus 3, that is 1683 by 9. So 1683 is divisible by 9. Yes, so it is for q equal to 2 is the least value. So we are asked the least number, so we need to find the least value. So option number 2 is correct. Moving forward, when an integer k is divided by 3 the remainder is 1, and when k plus 1 is divided by 5 the remainder is 0. So k plus 1 is divided by 5, the remainder is 0. Value of k is given in the options, and you are said that k plus 1 must be divisible by 5. So 62 plus 1, 63 is not divisible by 5. 64 is not divisible by 5. 65, yes, it is divisible by 5. 65 plus 1, 66, not divisible by 5. Simple question. Moving forward, the greatest common divisor of 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 to 3. Okay, this one looks complex, but it is not so, because we know that 3 to the power anything, 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81. So in all of this we get the unit digit to be an odd number. Alright, and any odd number plus 1 will give us an even number. So if this is an even number, so it must be a multiple of 2 and not all of this. And since we are asked the it will also be a multiple of 20, but we are asked the greatest common divisor, so the answer will be 2. Alright, two numbers 11284 and 7655 when divided by a certain number of 3 digits leave the same remainder. The sum of digits of such a 3-digit number is okay, so let's say the remainder is x. 11284, remainder is x. Here also remainder is x. So 1 to get this value, we'll subtract 11284 minus x. Here it will be 7655 minus x. So these two numbers must be divisible by n, the divisor. Am I correct? These two numbers must be divisible by n. So if we subtract these two numbers, that will get 11284 minus 7655 will get us to 9. Alright, so we'll see, we need a 3-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number. So we are asked to find the 3-digit number. So in this 2-digit number, it cannot be 12, it cannot be 14, it cannot be 16, 15, 18. These numbers cannot be, because the unit digits will not give us 9 upon multiplying with anything. Alright, so we are left with 13, 17, 19. So 13 is not a multiple of this, then 17 is also not a multiple of this, then we are left with 19. So let us check with 19. 19 1 ja 19, 9 7 2 172, 19 9 ja 981, 171, 119, 1 ja. So what we got? 191. Sum of the digits is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 is the answer. Alright, moving forward. 999, 998 by 999 into 999. So we can write this as 9 plus here. So this one will be 999 square plus 998. Correct? I have just multiplied. Then you can write this 1000 minus 1 whole square plus 998. This will be minus b square cube 10 to the power 6 plus 1 minus 2000 plus 998. Upon solving this, we'll get what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 999. So 1,000,999 minus 2000. So 999,899. So option number, which one? 998 is correct. Coming to the next one, 0.34676767. Bar means repetition. All of you know that. 1 3 3 3 3 3 3 3. Just do the addition. 7 3 10 1 6 3 9 1 10 1 3 10 1 11 6 3 9 1 10 7 3 10 1 11 6 3 9 1 10 4 3 7 1 8 3 1 4. So what we can write, 0 1 repetition is seen, so this one is 0.4801 bar. Option number 2 is correct. Okay, 49 to the power 15 minus 1 to the power 15. It is of the form x to the power n minus a to the power n. This form is divisible by x minus a if n is odd. If n is odd, and divisible by x minus a and x plus a when n is even. Again, x to the power n plus a to the power n, it is divisible by x plus a if n is odd. If n is even, cannot be determined. So in this case, we will have 49 minus 1 is equal to 48. 48 is not in the option, but we have 8. 8 into 6 is 48. So 48 is a multiple of 8 and 48 is a multiple of this expression. Okay. Then coming to the next question. And this is the last question of the series. Hope you have understood pretty well the concepts of every sums that we have done here. And please subscribe to my channel and share the videos as much as you can, so that I may continue with the series and remain motivated. Thank you guys. Okay, so the last question. The product of the digits of a 2-digit number is 24. If we add 45 to the number, the new number obtained is a number formed by interchanging the digits. What is the original number? Okay, so if we do it methodologically, then product of 2-digit number, let's say x into y is equal to 24. It is given. So 10x plus y plus 45 is equal to 10y plus x. This is the reversed form of the number. So when we solve this two variable equation, so we will get x and y. But if we see a shortcut, then they say that 45 is added to the new number, so that we'll get the old number, and the product is 24. So 5 into 4 20, it is cancelled. 4 into 5 20, it is cancelled. So either it is 83 or it is 38. So the original number, we added 45 to the original number to get the interchange number. So if we add 38, if we add 45, we will get 83, the reverse form of this number. So 38 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is the end of the series. We'll continue with the next series with next types of questions. Okay.